Open the cover. Remove the screws. Gently take out the camera and unplug the harness. Remove the screws on both sides of the camera. Take out the camera. Install the new camera. Before installing the new camera, you need to wipe off the round acrylic plate in the middle of the slot. Avoid dust to cover the camera's view. Tear off the protective film. Gently put the new camera into the slot. Tighten the two sides of the screws. Plug in the wiring harness. The red threads are towards the left side of the slot towards the top. Apply some glue to the harness to avoid dislodging. Apply some glue on the harness to avoid falling off. Align the holes and install the camera. A click is heard to indicate that the camera is installed. Twist the camera screws. Note, twist the screws gently, not too hard. Otherwise, it will cause damage to the acrylic threads. This will cause damage to the acrylic threads, which will eventually cause the screws to fail to lock.